Hi, baby. Come on, boy. Come here. Come here. Spazzy Razzy's gonna roll in the snow. How'd that feel? Was that cold? Was that cold? Loves to roll. What was that? Woohoo! Woohoo! Somebody likes the snow. Snowy faced.
I want to go sledding in it.
You gonna roll again? You gonna roll again? Again, Razz? Again? You hear him snorting? Look how snowy his face is. Oh, one more roll. Can't get enough of that rolling.
It looks like he's having a seizure. Did you see that? It sounds like Jello.
You hear him farting?
He just farted.
He was farting away.
That was a buck fart.
That was like 4 BuckFarts.
I heard that.
Come here, Razz. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Come here, honey. Come over here. Come here.
Another buck fart.
Yup. Slow down, boy. It's slippery underneath this snow.
I think you learned that the first time. He learned that without the snow mob.
He's having fun today. Come here, Razz. Razzie, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, freaky boy. Come here, you freaky boy. Ho, ho.
I think he threw some manure at me.
Want a cookie? Want a cookie, Razz?
I want to see him do a bowl too.
Hey, want a cookie? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Good boy.
Hey,
Good
Razz.
boy.